Good day everyone, my name is Richard Rimboy A. Cabesan and my topic is Region 3. Region 3 is also known as Central Luzon. It's located north of Metro Manila. It serves as a rice granary of the Philippines due to its vast farmlands. This region is composed of 7 provinces. It's rich in culture, heritage, and cuisine. Provinces Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, Zambales. Aurora is a province in the Philippines located in the eastern part of Central Luzon region, facing the Philippine Sea. The capital of Aurora is Baler. Before 1979, Aurora was part of the province of Quezon. The province was named after Aurora Aragon, the wife of Manuel Quezon, the president of the Philippine Commonwealth, after whom the mother province was named. Tourist attractions: Sabang Beach, Cemento Beach, known as the birthplace of Philippine surfing, and remains the primary draw for tourists, especially those seeking waves, lessons, and the vibrant surf culture. Baler Catholic Church, recognized nationally and internationally as the site of the historic Siege of Baler, 1898-1899, one of the most famous events in the Philippine history. The Tumabo Falls, Mother Falls, the largest and most popular waterfall in the area, offering a rewarding scenic trek and a major nature attraction outside of the main town area. Ermita Hill, a highly accessible site that blends history, the 1735 tsunami marker, with a must-see feature, panoramic high-altitude views of Baler Bay and the surrounding coast. The Casalarin Bay Cove, known as the most picturesque and exclusive attraction. Its secluded location, cliffs, and private feel make it a highly desirable spot for photography and relaxation away from the main town. Aurora Aragon Quezon Rest House Home, significant for being the ancestral home of the President Manuel L. Quezon's wife, offering a key historical link to one of the Philippines' most important political figures. Cuisine and delicacies: Suman, sticky rice cake cooked in coconut milk and wrapped in leaves. The town of Baler even has a festival dedicated to it. Banana and taro chips, healthy snack items made from the abundant local supply of the Saba bananas and taro root crops. Pansit and palabok, popular Filipino noodle dishes often available in local eateries. Kakanin, a general term for traditional rice cakes including puto, steamed rice cake, bibingka, and buchi. Seafood, being a coastal province, fresh fish and other marine life are readily available. Festival, Pusidayaw Festival, Suman Festival, Sabutan Festival. Bataan, a peninsular province in the Central Luzon region of the Philippines, renowned for its pivotal role in the World War II history, growing ecotourism, and as an emerging industrial hub. The capital of the Bataan is city of Balanga. The Battle of Bataan is also known in history as one of the last stands of American and Filipino soldiers before they were overwhelmed by the Japanese forces in World War II. Tourist attractions: Mount Samat National Shrine, Bataan World War II Museum, Bataan Nuclear Power Plant. Natural attractions: Tarak Ridge, Pawikan Conservation Center, Sisiman Bay. Cuisine and delicacies: Tinapa, a popular delicacy, especially smoked milkfish, bangus, often bought as a pasalubong, a treat for friends or family. Galonggong, a dish featuring the mackerel scad, a common ingredient in the local dining table. Festivals: Banga Festival, Galonggong Festival. Bulacan, the capital of Bulacan is Malolos, famous for the Baraswain Church where the first Philippine Republic was founded. As the capital, it is the seat of the province government and home to the historic Baraswain Church, where the Malolos Convention led to the establishment of the first Philippine Republic. Tourist attractions: Baraswain Church, Malolos, Biak na Bato National Park, Museo ng Kasaysayang Pampulitika ng Pilipinas, Cosa Real Shrine. Natural attractions: Verdivia Falls, Pinagrian Cave, Puning Cave. Pastillas de leche, a sweet and creamy candy made from Carabao's milk, a specialty of San Miguel. Inipit, a flaky pastry with a custard filling. Chicharon, A popular pork dish often prepared with local variations. Sinampalukan, a sour tamarind soup with chicken. Bistro Maloleño, a restaurant known for Bulaqueño dishes like nilagang manok na puti na may asparagus and pochero ni Plaridel. Festivals, Singkaban Festival, Bulak Festival, Buntalhat Festival.
I am Kagampang J, the next reporter. Nueva Ecija. The capital of Nueva Ecija is Palayan City, a landlocked province known as the Rice Bowl of the Philippines. Capital, Palayan City. The official capital of Nueva Ecija established in 1965. Cabanatuan City, the largest and economic center of the province, though it is no longer the capital. Tourist attractions: Minalungaw National Park, Dalton Pass and Shrine, Rice Science Museum. Cuisines and delicacies: Kakanin, a variety of traditional rice cakes such as bibingka, puto bongbong, biko, and suman. Longsilog, a popular Filipino breakfast meal consisting of longganisa, garlic, fried rice, and egg. Festivals: Gagrasak Festivals, Tanduyong Festivals, Taong Putik Festivals, Arakyulo Festival. Pampanga, known for its rich culinary scene, historical significance, and flat fertile plains, and name comes from the Kapampangan word pangpang, meaning river bank, due to its location along the Rio Grande de la Pampanga. Capital, City of San Fernando, also known as the Christmas capital of the Philippines due to its large lantern production. Tourist attraction: Mount Arayat, Sky Ranch Theme Park, Aqua Planet Water Park. Cuisine and delicacies: Sisig, a popular dish of chopped meat, usually pork, often served on a hot plate. Kare-kare, a rich stew with a peanut sauce base. Bringhi, a native paella-like rice dish. Oraro or Sampaguita oraro, this flower-shaped cookie. Pandesitos, also called manay tigas, this bread is named as such because of its hard texture and consistency. Festival. So this is the festivals: Giant Lantern Festival, Sinukwan Festival, Aguman Sandok Festival, Sabuaga Festival. Tarlac, a landlocked province in the Central Luzon region of the Philippines, bordered by Pangasinan, Nueva Ecija, Zambales, and Pampanga. The province comprises 3 congressional districts and it's subdivided into 17 municipalities and 1 city, Tarlac City, which is the province capital. Tourist attractions: Capas National Shrine, Mount Pinatubo, Monasterio de Tarlac. Anzap Twin Falls, Nambalan River, Cart City, Tarlac. Cuisines and delicacies: Chicharong Kamiling, a famous local delicacy of deep-fried and dried pork skin, a recipe dating back to the Spanish colonial era. Inoroban, a rice cake that gives its name to the Inoroban and Chicharong festivals in Kamiling. Tupig, it consists of coconut milk with glutinous rice flour, young coconut meat, and sweetener. Festivals: Kanlahi Festivals, Kalsa Festival, Iniroban and Chicharon Festival. Zambales, a province in the Central Luzon region of the Philippines known for its rugged coastline, volcanic landscapes, and agricultural products like mangoes and rice. Capital, Iba, a municipality in the middle of the province that serves as the provincial capital. It is known for its beaches and location of the Capitol building. Attractions: Anawangin Cove, Putiput Island, Mount Balingkilat. Botolan Wildlife Farm, Magsaysay Ancestral House, Inapuon Bato. Cuisines and Delicacies. Dinumulag Mangoes Zambales is famous for its incredibly sweet mangoes, particularly the Dimulog variety. Bagnit, a crispy deep fried pork dish similar to chicharon. Pastillas, a sweet milk-based confection. Festivals, Dinamulag Festivals and Pundakit Festivals.